Hey everybody, it's Bobby from Mel's Crafty Mojo, and I just wanted to jump on here and tell you a little bit about some of the evergreen vases that we have. Now, hold on a second. I know what some of you are saying. We're way past Christmas, Bobby. Why are we on here talking about evergreens? Well, in case you didn't know, these evergreen vases can be used all year round because it's an evergreen vase, which is normally associated with winter and Christmas, did you know that you can put all of your spring and summer florals and ribbon and even mesh in these? Each one of these little branches, these tips, is a tie just like you would use on your, say, 15, 24-inch round wreath bases. You just take your ribbon and your mesh and you put it in here. You take two of these ties and twist them and you tie it down. And you just fill it up as much as you want or as little as you want with all of your different decorations, and you can make yourself a nice teardrop swag in any season. So just to tell you a little bit about the ones that we have, this one that you see here, which I know is a little big, so it's kind of going out of camera. I'll try and kind of turn it so you can get a full view. This is our 30-inch Glasgow fir with 86 tips, teardrop swag, that's available. And then we also have, this one is a little bit lower cost, a little bit smaller project for you. If you're looking for something a little easier and lower cost to make, this is our 24-inch Belgium spruce. And then we also have these 24-inch Anchorage fir centerpieces. So if you're not looking to make a wreath or swag, if you want to make a centerpiece, we also have these. And all of these are available at melscraftymojo.com. And yeah, go over and check them out and show us those springtime projects or summer projects or Halloween projects. Show us what you can make. Everybody have a wonderful day. Take care. Thanks again. Bye.